mabibili dito sa Cheung Chau, guys. Ayan. Ayan, kuya, oh. Tagpa 5 lang. Tagpa 15. Ayan, oh.
Nasa mo 15 nga lang din talaga, oh.
15 lang, oh. Mumura lang naman.
May chip.
Gusto ko, kuya, yung may tatak na, Cheung Chau. Napakaraming mga sari-saring pagkain na dinarayo ng mga turista dito sa Cheung Chau Island, guys. Tulad na lang nitong mochi na may iba't ibang flavor tulad ng mango, durian, kiwi, at iba pa. Ganon din ang waffles at egg tart. Ganon din ang sikat na giant fishbowl na dinarayo dito sa Cheung Chau Island. Talaga namang napakasarap. At mayroon din silang tinatawag na traditional lucky bread na isa sa mga pinupuntahan ng maraming turista dito sa Cheung Chau. Ito, mga bisikleta na pwedeng arkelahin para mag-ikot-ikot dito. Ito guys, meron ditong ganito. Ito yung tinatawag nilang dim sum. Ayan, masarap ito. Ito. Steam na pork. Masarap yan, guys. Doon tayo kakain sa loob, guys. Pero kailangan muna natin mag-scan ng live home, guys. Dito muna tayo mag-lunch, guys. Dito na si Kuya.
Guys, kain muna tayo. Yes, kuya.
Ang ating lunch. Dim sum. Ito yung tinatawag na dim sum. Ano to, Kuya? Ano to, Kuya?
Agaw.
Agaw. Ayan, ang dim sum. Tapos ito ay siomai. Tapos may papansit. Pampahaba ng buhay.
Buhay. Birthday namin.
Yeah. Guys, maglalakad na po kami para tawirin ang bundok papunta sa Wing Rock.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Kaya pa? Ella!
having it night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight.
Dandahan ka, Kuya Pogi. Ang sama na. Uy! Ella! Okay ka lang?
If that's just what I gotta die, it's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like
Hi! Finally, eto na, narating na namin yung
Bilisan niyo! Wala na tayo. Sana pa tayo. Nakita na namin yung sinasabi nila. No, wala nang ligo-ligo.
visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight, but trust me, being free in spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights. Give yourself all the time to get your mind right, but if you put in the work, you can find the light. Alright, do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living.
Hi! Ayan! Ang view ng Hong Kong! Yung aming vlogger ay napakabilis lumakad.
Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide for.
Hello guys! So finally, eto na po, narating na namin ang wing rack na minsan tinatawag din po nilang Angel's Wing.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, 'cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna sing my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. You lies, I'll do what I want.
Do you wanna know? Well, I think
hope it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so right, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you.